Another video in this series of videos about analysis that is under 5 minutes, where you can find the key levels for trade entries and perfect stop loss take profit targets. We are about to make analysis for pound USD. At the beginning, I will remind you to visit our webpage trendtradingdna.com. We have a lot of to offer you from premium membership with analysis and trading signals to funded trader accounts, mentoring, live training with me, where you will learn all the tricks of price action and everything else. So let us begin with the monthly chart. So always, as I said previously in our previous videos, let me remove this icon in our previous videos. No matter are you to weekly and daily and your time frame of momentum entry. So for the monthly on the pound USD, you can see that pound USD recently was in a kind of uptrend swing, which was sideways, and then it flashed to the downside as it was a downside swing all the way down to near historic lows. 1.18 historic low was here, 1.04 in beginning of the 1985. So what happened here on the monthly chart? We had a breakout below a strong downside resistance, horizontal resistance, 1.4063, and we continued to the downside and then pulled back and then continued to the downside and then swing up just to form a consolidation triangle in a downtrend. So let us switch to weekly. So what we saw on the monthly is that we are in a downtrend. So taking the long trades, structural long trades, or pyramiding long trades, or building long trade position here, no, we should look for the short trade entries. This is that triangle I was speaking about. It was breached to the upside by testing 1.347, almost 1.35. Long trades should be and would be reasonable in the case of a break above 1.41. I mean structural long trades, building long trade position. At the moment, we have a reversal down from a breach above the triangle and back into formation, meaning that we are looking for a short trade in lower time frames. So pound USD, finally, we can conclude on the daily is in a wedge, in a rising wedge. Formed from March. Just let me mark it. And we got to a breakout point, which is, you will see in a minute. So still is not a clear short. because we could have some noisy price action. But let me place this horizontal resistance. Below 1.29, we will have high quality, high probability short trade entries. So the pound USD will be on the edge soon. A bounce from here, on the other hand, could lead to a range action, sideways action, where we should not look for the trade. So we are looking to short the pound below 1.29, placing the stop loss just above 1.295. Again, you can see that this analysis took us only up to 5 minutes from monthly to weekly. Even if we go to 4-hour time frame, the conclusion is the same. You can see pound is falling down and is getting to a key resistance, key breakout test here. So you need to watch the price action here around 1.29. Okay, that is it for today, trader. So technical analysis is not a rocket science. You can learn it. Trading is not a rocket science. The only thing that you should pay attention to is patience, the key levels you mark in your analysis, and to read the price action. All of that you can learn in our mentoring process. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice trading week and goodbye.